With a budget of 1.1 million, not only you can still own a freehold townhome in a good area of Markham, but you will have a luxury one. Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. In Best Buy of this week, I'm introducing you one freehold townhome assignment. Let's take a look at its location. So we are on Major McKinsey, but in the middle of Warden and Kennedy. We are located in the middle of Angus Glen Golf Club. So this is a top-notch golf club. And if you are fascinated by the golf course view, this is a very good choice. If you're familiar with this area, you also know a lot of those big mansions, something like a 5,000, 4,000 square footage, big detached houses. They're scattered in this area. The environment is very green. You are surrounded by small lakes and woods and hiking paths. But even with such a low density and green area, you do not sacrifice the convenience. You just drive along Warden. In about 10 minutes time, you will come down to Markham Town Center, Highway 7 and Warden. And if you're fascinated by Asian food, in also less than 5 minutes, you come down 16 and Woodbine, you'll find TNT. So not only you have a very convenient transportation and access to everything, you also correspond to very good school. Your neighbor would be Bercy Village, and Pierre Elliott Trudeau, which ranked in top 10 in Ontario. Many years is just located there. So this is the environment. You have convenient living, green environment, and good school, all three wish in one shot. All right, let's take a look at the property itself. So the developer is Kaimor. If you know Kaimor, it's been operated for over 20 years, and a lot of projects are coming from this developer. So this is one of the very typical luxury townhome. Let's just take a look at some of the renderings, then you get to sense what I mean. Check out the ceiling, right? So this is not a normal, ordinary townhome. This is the kitchen. Let me also mention that for the appliances, they use Sub-Zero for fridge and Wolf for stove. So you all know these two brands, they are the Rolls Royce in their category. The countertop is granite. I think you can sense what I'm talking about. This is not an ordinary living. This is absolutely premium to every detail. All right, so this is pretty much about this property. Let's take a look at its floor plan. So now we can see more clearly. You've got 1,870 square feet. It's absolutely the bigger one in townhomes. We've got 3 bedrooms and 1 ensuite. Let me blow this up. Yeah, we've got 3 bedrooms in this floor, 1 master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, and the other 2 bedroom on the other side, and they share 1 common bathroom. Before I go, I also want to let you know the price. So this one is calling for less than 1.1 million. But the reason I recommend it is because actually I found out a similar unit, slightly bigger than this one. Square footage is 2,108. They sold for 1.25. The actual sold price is 1.25. They are just about 10% bigger than us. So if we do the price simulation, ours really should be 1.15, but we're only calling for 1.1. Right. And for assignment, because it's limited exposure, so a lot of times what they call is what you can expect to purchase. So that's why I believe ours is quite value for money. So if you are interested in this one, please feel welcome to talk to me, and then I can book this property for you. And if you have any recent purchase plan, I can customize the hot list for you. So it will include some of the great deal off-market properties just like this one. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.